My name is Chef Magnetic Speed Cheetah. Sleepy Dragon. Chef Rainbow Pegasus.
The Little School of Improbable Cooking is a project that combines food, cooking, creative writing, getting really imaginative.
I was expecting to do a craft today. Then I found out that we were actually cooking a pie for a dragon. I tasted some odd squidgy stuff. It tasted disgusting. One of them wasn't really dragon food, it was dragon poo.
They let us know that it's dragon snot.
You just ate dragon snot. And you did. It's a bit nice.
We bring artists together who are really great at cooking and doing imaginative playing with food. Writers from Writing West Midlands who are great at getting children's storytelling, poetry, all sorts of different activities around creative writing.
And they've made wands this morning and they've written spells onto dragon heartstrings.
You put like your spell on it and then point at someone and then like the mouth closes. If you want to undo the spell, you have to go. It makes me go in a new world, inventing everything that's in my mind.
If you make it fun, they're just enjoying it and they don't realise that they're learning at the same time.
Yeah, they're just making what they want. And I've just seen them having a whale of a time. They have absolutely loved it.
It works really well for all abilities, different personality types as well.
Well, my little grandson, he's got learning difficulties. He doesn't mix very well, but he seems to be doing all right this morning. Anything that's going to help him is going to improve things.
It didn't matter that the spelling was crazy and the grammar was crazy. They didn't care. They were just so excited to tell the story.
It's called John and he was a formidable dragon and he lived in a cave and wrestled in the autumn mist in a land called Fight every day. My favourite thing today, rolling pastry out. Eating the pie, definitely just eating the pie.
For my first pie in my life, was really good. I never thought it would taste like that.
And we got to use our imagination.
Eating the eggs.
Better than pizza, just way better than pizza.
We've seen there's so much demand. We want to roll it out across the city and work with more young people, more brilliant writers, more brilliant cooks.
It made me feel a little bit happy because I thought, well, I've made this, I've achieved something. When you try out new things and you know you like it, you can try it again and again and again.